What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're talking about the iPhone XS and XS Max battery case. This is a smart battery case from Apple. It's been a long time in the making, apparently, because the phones came out quite a bit ago. But the point here is that, wow, I'm so shocked by how this case turned out, because this is now probably one of the worst products of 2019 that Apple will come out with. And we're early on in the year, so that's a bold statement to make. Now, realistically, there are some cool aspects about this battery case. Well, for one, it does support wireless charging. So you can wirelessly charge your iPhone through the case, like just set it on top of a wireless charger, because there are coils built into the case, but you can alternatively just wirelessly charge the case by itself. Just set it down on a wireless charger, the light on the inside will turn green, and you're good to go. Another cool thing here that we've seen with previous battery cases from Apple is the fact that you can charge it via a lightning port at the bottom. And you know what? That's just about where the cool ends with this guy. Like, honestly, I'll probably personally use this case just because it's easy going. I mean, it doesn't take a lot. You know, you just basically dock your iPhone inside of there, and then all of the stats and management and everything is handled through the iPhone interface. So when you put your iPhone in there, it'll actually tell you how much capacity is remaining on the case and how much capacity is remaining on your iPhone, which is pretty cool. But the biggest problem here is that, well, there's no on and off switch for this thing. So it's just always going to be charging. When you plug in your phone, it'll start charging and it'll stay charging until the case dies. Whereas if you look at like a standard battery case, you have an on-off switch. So the entire design here, well, it's not exactly the greatest, I guess. I've seen this design on other battery cases, so you know, I'm not going to ding it for that too much. It takes the form and feel of one of Apple's silicone cases, which is cool. I mean, but I think that Apple, the company of innovation, could come up with something better than this, especially on their second go around. Now, this thing, the main problem I have with this is it gets dirty and grimy really quick. It's already covered in like little dust specks and things like that. I guess, what do you expect from a silicone case? But another thing with this is the fact that it doesn't actually have that much battery capacity in it. So the case itself packs a 1,369 milliamp hour battery rated at 10.1 watt hours. And you know what's funny about that is it's not even enough to fully recharge the iPhone XS Max battery. Like, what? So it's kind of like, I guess, if you need a halfway bump on your iPhone and you want to carry a much bulkier device. I just don't personally understand it for the iPhone XS Max anyway. And honestly, like, since the iPhone XS Max launched, I've been using this case right here. This is from Zero Lemon. I think it's about 33 bucks on Amazon. It packs a 5,000 milliamp hour battery that's rated at 19 watt hours. So ultimately, you're getting like a ton more for your money here. Obviously, this isn't the prettiest case. It's plastic, but it does charge via Lightning, which is cool. Doesn't work with wireless charging, which, you know, whatever. I don't really care about that anyway. But for 33 bucks versus 129 bucks, I mean, the difference is clear. Sure, you're missing out on a little bit of that Apple aesthetic, but I guarantee you, I promise you, nobody will come up to you on the street and make fun of you for using this battery case over this battery case. The bottom line is, I think that this is kind of a joke. Like, it just seems like a money grab. I mean, this is $130 for a case that won't even fully recharge the battery on your iPhone XS Max. Not even half. Like, what? I don't even understand it. I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are on this case in the comments section below. Once again, I think this is probably one of the worst innovations that Apple will come out with this year, but I want to know your thoughts on the whole thing. Go ahead and leave them down below. Leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.